Hello friends, welcome to Reverse Engineering video lecture series. Today we will be continuing with arithmetic progressions after what we have covered in last lecture. We'll start today's lecture with the general term of AP. So, what is the meaning of the general term of AP? Always remember that the variable or a letter A is represented in arithmetic sequence for the first term. So A means the first term. So here I am writing A is the first term. And to find out the next term, what was our criteria that we have learned in the last lecture? We need to know the previous term and we need to know the common difference. Suppose my common difference, in this case D is the common difference. So to find out the second term, I will take the first term, which is A. I'll add the common difference to it. So my second term became A plus D. Similarly, to find out the third term, I will take the second term, which is A plus D, and I will add the common difference to it. So I will get the third term as A plus 2D. Similarly, for the fourth term, I will take the third term, which was A plus 2D, and copy it down, and I'll add D to it. So fourth term will become A plus 3D. This I can continue with till any terms what I wanted to represent in the series. We'll go ahead and we'll learn what is the meaning of the finite AP. Finite arithmetic progression is that arithmetic progression which has a specified last term. So in the example we covered in the first lecture, which was the series 1, 3, 5, 7. In this series we have the 4 terms. This is my first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, and this one is the last term or the fourth term. So in this series we get to know what is the last term. So as the last term is specified in the series, this AP is called as finite AP. While in infinite AP, suppose the example is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and it continues. So here this is my first term, this is my second term, this is third, this is fourth, and this is fifth. That doesn't mean my fifth term is the last term. There may be more terms in this sequence, but I don't know what will be the last term. So whenever the last term is not specified, that AP is called as infinite AP. We'll go ahead and we'll start with the example. The example is, we have to determine the following. Example is arithmetic progression or no. The cost of digging well is 150 rupees for first meter and 50 rupees for next subsequent meter. Suppose this is my well, and cost of digging the well for first meter is 150 rupees. So this is for 1 meter. I'll need initially 150 rupees, and then for the second meter you can say 1 meter for which is for the next meter, I'll need 50 rupees per meter. So total cost is here 150 rupees. Total cost here is initial 150 rupees plus current 50 rupees. The total cost is 200 rupees. Now for the third meter, I'll need to spend 50 rupees more. So total cost is initial cost 200 plus 50 rupees for this meter. So total cost is 250 rupees. And for the fourth meter, I will need 50 rupees more. So the total cost will be 250 plus 50, that is equal to 300 rupees. Now if I want to represent this information in the form of the series, so I can represent it like 200, 250, or you can say the initial term also will take 150. We started with the 150, then 200, then 250, then 300, and this sequence will go on as I want to dig further. So here, if in the question they are asked us, is the given sequence is AP or no? So how to determine the given sequence is AP? Always remember that to determine the sequence or series is AP or no, we have to determine the common difference. If the common difference throughout the sequence or series is same, then we can say the given series is an AP. So to do that, I need to take the current term. Current term is that term which is except the first term. So in this case, I have taken the second term, current term minus previous term. So I'll get the answer as 50. Here also I'll follow the same thing. Current term minus previous term, answer is 50, and 50 in this case as well. So I got to know my common difference in every case is 50 rupees. So as the common difference is same throughout the series, that's why I can say the given sequence is in AP. So this is an AP. We'll do the next problem. They have given us the AP and they asked us find out D, A and next three terms. So this is the first term, which is nothing but A. How to find out the D? The current term, which is except the first term, minus the previous term. So 3 plus root 2 minus 3 will give me root 2. Next 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. In this case, this is the current term and subtracted the previous term. The answer of this will be 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. So minus 3 gone. 2 root 2 minus root 2 will be root 2. And again I will do same process. Suppose current term is 3 plus 3 root 2 subtracted from the 3 plus 2 root 2 subtracted from 3 plus 3 root 2. The answer will be 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. 3 gone. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, answer will be root 2. So here I can say the difference in all cases I am getting as 2, which is the common difference, which is same. So this is an AP, that is correct. And we'll now find out the next three terms. Last term was 3 plus 3 root 2, which was the, you can say, fourth term. I'll find fifth term. To find out the fifth term, I'll take the fourth term, which is 3 plus 3 root 2, and add common difference, which is root 2 to it, and I'll get the fifth term, which will be 3 plus 4 root 2. Similarly, if I want to find out the sixth term, I will take the fifth term, which is this 3 plus 4 root 2. I'll add the common difference to it, which is root 2. So my answer will be 3 plus 5 root 2. And similarly, if I want to find out the next term, which is the seventh term, I will take the sixth term, which is 3 plus 5 root 2. I'll add root 2 to it, and the answer will be 3 plus 6 root 2. So these are my next three terms in the given AP. Thank you, all of you. Visit us on the susangiclasses.com for free educational videos, online question and answer papers for all subjects, boards and standards. Get your doubts solved by our experienced faculties. Like, share and comment us on YouTube channel Reverse Engineering.